TOPTION Instrument Company Limited has spent many years becoming a world-leading manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of hemp extraction, filtration, ethanol recovery, decarboxylation, distillation, crystallization equipment, extract from biomass, finally get over 99% purity, oil turnkey solution, professional technical support for new starter, or help to improve current extraction and distillation process. One set customized, hot sale models support fast delivery within 7 days. Overseas installation and training service is available. With TOPTION, help you save time and cost. We are located in Xi'an with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. TOPTION's equipment has been used and praised in many counties including Canada, United States, Poland, Russia, and Spain. We are your dependable partner in hemp oil extraction and distillation industry. We are flexible, intelligent, and truly care about your benefits potential of a well-orchestrated hemp oil processing system. We want your business brand to be remembered and welcomed by your customers, not the practicalities of hemp oil market. From biomass to achieve pure oil, crystal drying, column, customized packaging turnkey solutions, ISO, CE, UL certification, on-site service, installation, video guidance, TOPTION, your top option in hemp industry.
Hello everyone, this is David. TOPTION is an equipment producer, support OEM and ODM.
Hi, I am Wendy, service customer more than 8 years at TOPTION. TOPTION is a warm team.
Hey, Danica here. Work for American market 6 years. I love my job.
Here is Mike. I enjoy working for you. Welcome to our factory.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night.